Now, on the left, we have messaging, utility, report, address book, templates, downloads. For sure, we are going to talk about each and every one alone, but let's start with messaging. Under messaging, we have single, quick, animated, by file, by contact, and by group data. Under by file, we have normal and custom message. Let's start now with single. In single SMS, we can send only to one single number. We'll add the mobile number beside tool. Okay, from is the header ID or the sender ID. It can be alphanumeric or numeric. The maximum allowed characters for the sender ID is 11. And in the message, we can type it in English. The maximum allowed 160 characters, or in Arabic, the maximum allowed characters are 70 characters. Below the message, we can see a small report. Here, if we type the message in Arabic, we can see it Unicode, or if we type it in English, we can see it 7-bit. The number of characters increasing while we type more characters, and the count of the SMS will be changed after exceeding the 160 characters, and it will be 2 instead of 1. Expiry hours, as you know, each SMS will keep retrying to reach the end user. So if we add the expiry hours to, let's say, after 2 hours, the SMS will stop retrying and the status of the SMS will be returned as expired. Schedule, if you want to schedule the SMS to be sent in a different time, let's say I want the SMS to be sent after 1 hour, so I enable the schedule option and I change the date from here, Beirut GMT +2. I want the SMS to be received on 17/11/2022 at 16:02. Repeat if you want to repeat the same message daily, weekly, monthly, etc. After clicking on send, we'll get small summary or small report talking about the sender and the message type, message part, the validity of the numbers, total messages, deduction 1 credit, the message content or the body of the message, the schedule, date, GMT, and repeat. After clicking confirm, the message will be sent after 1 hour.